Welcome! Follow me to experience the art of cooking My Cyprus recipes and learn to cook like the locals do. In this session, I will show you the recipe of a traditional pasta dish, Kritharaki or ORZO pasta. Kritharaki or ORZO pasta is a well-known traditional dish often enjoyed by Cypriots at home and in traditional taverns. There are different varieties when cooking Kritharaki. It can be cooked with chicken, mushrooms or minced meat. In this session, I will show you the recipe of Kritharaki with mushrooms and chicken. For the ingredients, for 4 people you will need 2 max Kritharaki, 2 max cooked chicken, 2 medium-sized onions, 6 medium-sized mushrooms, 1 tin peeled tomatoes, 1 stock cube, 2 teaspoons of salt and virgin olive oil. For 4 people, you will need approximately 20 minutes of preparation time, 30 minutes of cooking time. That's a total of 50 minutes. Step 1. Pour some olive oil in a pan. Set the fire on to medium to high and let the oil heat up. Step 2. Peel the onion and cut it into small pieces. Add the onion in the pan. Let it cook for a few minutes until it gets a golden see-through color. Step 3. The mushrooms. Wash and slice the mushrooms. Add them into the pan and give them a stir. Leave them for a few minutes to cook. While the mushrooms are cooking, take any leftover chicken that you have at home and cut it into cubes. Add it in the pan and give it a stir. Let the chicken cook for a few minutes with the other ingredients. Then add the ORZO pasta in the pan. Give it a stir and let it cook for a few minutes. Add one mug of tomatoes. If fresh tomatoes arrive, you may opt to use those rather than the ones from the tin. Step 7. The water. As a rule of thumb, for every mug of pasta, you will need more than double the quantity in liquids. For the 2 mugs of ORZO pasta, you will need an additional 4 mugs of water. The cut tomatoes count as 1 mug of liquid. Then add the remaining ingredients. Add the vegetable stock cube and salt to the rest of the ingredients. Keep stirring the mixture every few minutes until the pasta is cooked and the liquids are nearly absorbed. This will take about 30 minutes. Before the mixture absorbs all the liquids, remove the pan from the fire and cover with the lid. After a few minutes, the dish is ready. Serve with grated halloumi cheese and Cyprus village salad. Καλή όρεξη! Enjoy! Do not forget to follow me on social media and press on that subscribe and like buttons and turn on notifications for videos to follow. Let me know how the recipe goes once you've tried it. See you in my next video.